Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. USB-C charger, small size more powerful, volume is 50% smaller than ordinary model, 4 times faster than ordinary charger. Charging speed is 4 times faster than 5 watts charger, charge 60% in the first 30 minutes. Car wiper blade repair, one-touch repair, clear with no streaks. 30-second fix, double process, full metal material, portable lanyard. Easily repair wiper where aging and stains with a single stroke. Even grinding to extend the life of wiper blades. Automatic pencil sharpener. The pen sharpener can automatically eliminate the broken core during operation without disassembly and removal. Prevent the hob phenomenon caused by broken core so that you save time and effort. LED desk lamp, high-quality light source evenly spread over the desktop, a total of 26 lamp beads in double row, to avoid uneven light damage to vision. Make the spectrum more continuous, more complete, closer to natural light. Car back seat holder, 360-degree rotation. Enjoy watching comfortably. You can adjust the suitable angle to watch video. Do not hurt your device. Compatible for most of cars. Compatible for 4.7 to 12.9-inch mobile phones and tablets. Professional HD telescope, diopter adjustment for fine focusing, 100x22 zoom binoculars, with bright and transparent color, strong optical permeability, and extinction pattern design at the edge, can effectively reduce eye fatigue. Knife sharpener. This knife sharpener works great on all types of knives. Keep your knives sharp and ready to use. It is very easy to use, and very sturdy and durable. Ergonomically designed silicone handle, and the non-slip base provides ultimate comfort. 360-degree rotatable and fixed silicone strap. Fixed part, bicycle handlebar. Mobile phone width range, 55mm to 95mm. Mobile phone thickness range, less than 11mm. Bicycle handlebar diameter range, 25mm to 31.8mm. Drilling tools set, made from high-quality HSS steel, ideal for using to cut holes in a variety of materials including steel, brass, wood, plastic, etc. Titanium coated to reduce MIT and heat treated and highly polished. Sports wireless earphones, Bluetooth-compatible version 5.0, support most of Bluetooth-compatible devices, and lower power consumption. 2000 mAh charging case can full charge 2 earphones around 5 times, offer more 24 hours music time, with waterproof technology. Motorcycle waterproof gloves, 100% full protection, hard plastic knuckle guard, silicone finger protector and multi-layer palm material, protect your hands from impacts and abrasion injuries. The protection gloves are very nice and fit snugly once you get them on, do not have extra bulk in fingertips or in palm. The anti-slip rubber material in palm provide a good grip without contracting your hand muscles, good for long driving. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.